Hi, my name is Bronagh and I'm a cosmetic dentist in Dublin. I graduated from Trinity College, Dublin, and I am in the middle of a postgraduate degree in facial aesthetics with the City of London Dental School. I didn't originally know what I wanted to do, so I started in maths and economics, and then I realised after a year of that I wanted to be in something more creative, hands-on and dealing with people on a daily basis, so I picked dentistry. In my spare time I love to travel. I always have itchy feet. I love exploring new cultures, food, anything like that. After work I just go to the gym, I meet up with friends, yoga, and I do love watching good series. My strangest experience in dentistry. I have had a lot, but I definitely think it was when a mum asked if she could have 3 of our children for the price of 2 for a checkup. Where do I see dentistry going in the future? I think, like many people, it's going to become more digital, but what I would love is for people to first of all take a more holistic approach in their overall health and dental care. My dreams for the future would be to open my own practice and to be able to help as many people as possible, whether that's in the clinic or on social media through education.